Hey Tiffany, this is Adam Needens, and this is your peer review for your presentation that you gave. I thought you did an excellent job, and I thought overall it was very well organized from beginning to end on going from slide to slide with the information that you had. You covered everything that was needed. You gave great detail for each slide. You didn't read it word for word, and you went off of your bullet points very nicely and added to each one of those things. So thank you. I thought your information on summative informative assessment was very knowledgeable. That was something that I didn't completely add, I guess, into my presentation, something I should think about. Your student assessments as well is something that I could look a little more probably in depth on. I thought going the route you did with student assessments and how they can benefit from those as well was very important. Your information on cultural differences and being included into the lesson planning for teachers is something that I think every school and every teacher should probably start looking into if they haven't done so already. That's something that obviously impacts students day to day for sure. You gave great examples on the cultural assessments, ways to go about examining that area, so that was very helpful as well. I should have added more on leadership. I thought you gave great information with your leadership slide and how that impacts the building, how that impacts the classroom, and how it impacts students on a day-to-day basis and year-to-year basis as well. So thank you. I would like to take some of this info and add it into what I would consider a day-to-day lesson plan format, thinking about going through and what are all the differences needed for each individualized kid, not just the whole group of 15, 20, 25, whatever it is in a classroom, as well as taking a look at the assessments and how we are evaluating teachers and students. So thank you very much for your presentation, Tiffany.